What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't recorded anything in a few weeks. I was in Florida. I'm out the back garden actually power washing it at the moment. I'm getting it ready for someone to come over and have a look at it, but I'm going to turn the camera around. It looks a bit of a state, but it's just full of weeds and stuff. I need to get a proper weed killer, and then someone's coming over tomorrow to look at it to get a price of the concrete, and then we're just going to get it done. Then I can get the slabs down there. All the slabs are going right here in front of me for the parking, and then once all that's done we can build the garage, and I can't wait for it. So have a look at the state of this. Yeah, yikes is right. I'm going to finish off this power washing here, and then I'm going to get over here and pull up some of the sods. I'm also going to get a really strong weed killer. I don't know what to use. Maybe I can use some petrol. Petrol kills weeds and it goes really deep down. I don't need anything growing back underneath it. I'm going to find out if you can use petrol or diesel. Stick it in a can, pour it over, and just kill it all and get ready. But there is someone coming over tomorrow, so what I'm going to do is finish this up, get a bit of this done, and then I'll show you some of the results. Now that this mess is dealt with, nice and clean, time to get over here, get all the rubbish over in one pile. I'm going to be getting a skip because that's getting taken apart. I got a new steel one for over there, and then just get all this shit over in that corner. All the rubbish is over there. Let's do all this shit now, get it up in the brown bin and sorted. From this to, I've ran out of bin. It's getting too heavy for the grass, and the stones mixed in there as well, so don't want to go too mad, but most of it is up. I'd say I could get like a weed killer, a really strong weed killer, pour all over this and also all over that, and then yeah, there's a cat absolutely frightened the shit out of me. But yeah, once I get all the weed killer down, should kill off all this crappy grass, and I can pick it up then and put it in the bin once this is emptied on Tuesday. So with it being Halloween around the corner, I do want to rip that shed down, get it out in the bin for the kids to take away for the bonfire. I also have loads of other bits and pieces of wood to get rid of, but yeah, it's looking a bit better than it did about half an hour ago. That's how long I'm doing it, about half an hour, 45 minutes, so not too bad at all. But I really need to get this sorted. Hopefully the guy that's coming over tomorrow to have a look at the base of where the ground where we're putting the base, hopefully he gives it a go ahead and he says that he can sort all this himself. I also need to get more rebar just for cracking. I don't want it to crack, so I did have a guy look at it before. He quoted me like nearly $6 which is way too much out of my budget. He did say get a little bit more rebar, put it over it, and it will stop it from cracking. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy up all here, and also have to get rid of this out of the way. And yeah, updates coming tomorrow after the guy has a look at it and see how much it's going to cost and when I can get it done. So what's up, guys? I had the guy over having a look at the back garden to price getting the concrete done and how long it's going to take to do and what I need to get, and he gave me a super good price, told me how much the materials are going to be, and it's getting done next week. So what I need to do is just pull up some of this grass, get some weed killer and kill all the weeds and stuff, and then just get it all ready, take the steel out, clean it all up, put the steel back in, tie it all together and levitate it up off the ground, and then it's getting done. So I'm going to get all that done. I'll do a quick time lapse of me pulling up weeds and killing weeds, and yeah. Right guys, it's 5 PM. I have my gloves that I left out in the rain, but I'm gonna get wet anyway, so let's get to cleaning up this mess and getting all this ready for concrete. Let's go. But I think that'll do for now. It's literally pissing rain. It hasn't stopped raining since I started it. Doing it about 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna just nestle myself underneath these trees here. But yeah, have a look at what I got done in the 30 minutes. Not too bad. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna head into the house, dry off, and come back to this tomorrow and get the rest of it done, throw some weed killer down, and then get the concrete done. So yeah, let's go. What's up guys, I've realised that this video is going to be way too long, so I'm going to split it in two. So this is part 1, over and out. Thanks for watching, peace out and be dedicated. Make sure you follow along to see part 2 of the back garden pad for the garage. Peace out. So what's up guys, I am at a garage getting petrol. I got invited to a private car meet up at the engine block. Never been, so it's private. Never been invited to a private car show before, so it's just a car meet in a garage, but it's at the engine block and I've never been there, so let's go. I have not been out in this car at night time in a long time, but look at them headlights. I can see. Let's go. So that's it, made it here, just waiting on me mate Noah to turn up, see what's happening, see if we're going in, get a few photos done for the mini and stuff at the engine block. So yeah, I'm just looking at it. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, but yeah, let's meet up and out and see what he's doing. Just had to come over and have a look at the old Testarossa in the dark. Oh, beautiful machine, stunning. Nice R33 GTR, very pretty, lovely wheels. And now we're just going to head inside and have a look at some motors, see what it is in America. They sound amazing. Oh, some really nasty cars in there, but I'm loving this. This thing's amazing. I've seen and heard one of these in America, really cool. Some of the cars on the outside as well, we'll give you a look. Only small reason why I came. Supra. Good show. Time to go. That Supra is beautiful. One day I'll get one. So yeah, let's get back to the garage build. Just a quick one before I was driving home and the accelerator got stuck on the Mini, so don't know what that is. Maybe a bit of WD-40 and give the inlet a clean out. Maybe the throttle body's full of gunk, I don't know, but that's something to delve into. Definitely, because it literally revved all the way up to like 6,000–7,000 k, so I had to turn it off, open the bonnet and push it back and then just cruise it home. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that little me. So we're gonna get back to doing the concrete now, so enjoy.